Hi guys, it's ASBYT and welcome to a brand new video. Now, the advancements in smart home technology over the last few years has been well documented. But due to the fact there are oceans of different products and different brands, it's not really something that I've locked down on. In truth, it's hard for us as a consumer to kind of know where to start. So when Philips Lighting, one of the industry leaders in immersive lighting for home entertainment, got in touch and offered to hook me up with some brand new Hue lights, I thought now might be the time to really take the plunge and transform my smart home environment so that now I can do things like this. Pretty cool, no? So without further ado, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about, and I'm going to share a few cheeky Cyber Monday deals with you as well. Let's go. So inside the big package from Philips Lighting, we have a bridge unit, which is basically the heartbeat of the system, and it's where everything connects to. We have two Play light bar base units. We have a sync box, which allows you to sync your lights with your TV or monitor for gaming, etc. And you can connect up to 4 HDMI devices at once. So if you've got a console or an Amazon Fire Stick, you can do that. We've got a Go portable light with its own integrated battery, and we've got a Light Strip Plus, which is a 2-meter light strip providing either white or colored lighting, which you can bend, cut and extend to customize your setup. And what I've done with it is actually stick it to the back of this monitor here. Now, one of the key selling points about Philips Hue lighting is you can actually control your lights from your smartphone via the Philips Hue app, and also via voice control with the likes of Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Nest and Samsung SmartThings. So as an example, I can say things like, Alexa, turn the lights green. Just keep in mind that that light there isn't connected. It's got a normal boring bulb in there. And not only can you control the colors, so that I'm creating a bit of a cycle going on right now, you can actually turn the brightness up and down as well. We go all the way off, or we can go max brightness. Pretty cool. But in my opinion, as cool as all of that is, one of the key selling points for me is when you start to use the sync box with your TV or monitor for gaming or watching movies. This creates a really cool environment for those activities, because syncing that unit to your plugged in lights means that when you are gaming, watching movies, listening to music, the lighting actually changes based on what's happening. So wicked if you're having a house party, for example, you've got your music pumping, your lights blazing, and it's pretty cool. But for the reasons mentioned, this type of setup is highly favored by gamers and streamers, as if you're competing at the highest level, esports players, for example, you're going to be spending a lot of hours training and you're going to want the best setup possible. And this certainly is something that you guys are probably going to want to look at. So in order to set everything up, you will firstly need to start with the bridge unit, plug it into power, connect the Ethernet cable to your router or router, depending where in the world you're from, and download the Philips Hue app, which is available on the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store. Follow the instructions, it is dead simple to do. Then you want to start adding your individual lights. And again, very simple. As soon as you've plugged them in to a power source, in the Philips Hue app, you can actually create different spaces, whether that's your living room, bedroom, kitchen, if you want that as well, also known on the app as rooms and zones. Tons more customization within the app, entertainment areas, power on behavior, so what your lights should do as soon as they're powered on. And you can also set up routines for when you wake up, go to sleep, etc. So the lights will do the same thing every day based on how you set it up. And one good thing is you can actually have things working from when you're not at home as well. So you can set your lights to actually behave in a certain way when you're away from home. If you want them to come on, go off, etc., you can do that. You don't have to always be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, if you wanted to use the sync unit that I mentioned for gaming, movies, etc., you will have to download a separate app, which is called Hue Sync. Again, very easy to use. You can select between video, music, and game, and you can toggle between different intensities from subtle to moderate to high to extreme. And again, you can change the brightness within the app as well. Another good feature that I've noticed in the time I've had it is the amount of updates that they provide. So it's something that they will constantly monitor, and if they think there's an improvement available, they will push it out. So all in all, I think the Philips Hue setup is, in the short time I've been using it, a very, very intriguing product. And the great thing about it is you won't break the bank buying and setting it up. And when I change studio space in a few months, I'm certainly going to be taking these bad boys with me and setting up to my brand new TV and gaming section, and probably using it in conjunction with my monitor as well. Let me know what you think in the comment section below about Philips Hue lighting. Is it the thing that you've been craving and just didn't know where to start looking? Or is this something you've never thought about, but actually now looking at this video, it might be something you might consider, especially with Christmas just around the corner. If you are indeed celebrating it, might be worth thinking about. Let me know in the comments. As always, I love to hear your thoughts. And one last key point today is that the Philips Hue lighting bundles that I've got listed and linked below, pretty affordable, and I will leave any discount information down there as well. Like and share if you did enjoy this video and found it helpful. Subscribe and hit that notification bell if you're new to the channel and want to be notified every time I post a video. Tech news, unboxings, reviews. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.